The temperature compensation probe adjusts the charger output voltage up or down in response to battery temperature fluctuations. For installation documentation or for more information, please visit sbsbattery.com. The remainder of this video will be an installation demonstration. Thoroughly clean and dry the mounting surface. Remove the protective backing from the double face adhesive tape on the probe. Securely press the probe onto the mounting surface. Fasten on the interconnection cable. Open the charger breakers. Remove the fasteners from the plexiglass cover. Feed 18 inches of the temperature sensor cable through the entry into the charger. Place a tie wrap at the top. To hold the cable in place and ensure that you have enough slack. After the tie wrap is installed, remove the green Fast On tab from the side of the circuit card and connect the temperature comp to that green tab using the supplied double Fast On adapter. Now reattach the ground to the A1 circuit card. The two temperature sensing wires will connect to TB8 in the bottom left-hand corner of the A1 circuit card. Ensure both wires are properly tightened. Reinstall the plexiglass cover into the front of the AT10 Charger and put both fastenings fold downs back on. Close the charger door. Re-energize the charger by closing the AC and the DC breakers. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at sbsbattery.com or call 800-554-2243.